this was the last question on the foundation tier paper 3, I believe, from the summer 2023 or the autumn 2023 paper 1 Edexcel, sorry, paper 3, sorry, Edexcel foundation tier. Okay, so it's a calculator based question. Okay, not doing my yeah, but just to bear that in mind. The line L is shown on the grid. Find an equation for L. Again, it's worth 3 marks on this question. So, straight line graphs, guys, are in the form of format y is equal to mx plus c, where m is our gradient and c is our y-intercept. Okay, so straight away I can see here obviously plus 3, so where it crosses on the y-axis is plus 3. So straight away my answer is going to be in the form y is equal to mx plus 3. So even that itself, guys, will definitely get you a mark. Okay, so straight away, yeah, that is 1 mark came back. Okay, so brilliant. Okay, so good job. Okay, what about getting those additional marks here, which is what you're obviously aiming for, and why you obviously watch the video in full. Okay, now to work out the gradient here, there are many different ways. Okay, rise over run, or changing y over changing x. Essentially, is how far I go along. Okay, to how much I go up or down. Now, because this is like a downward slope, the gradient here is going to be negative, so m has to be less than 0. So m has to be negative. Okay, in that format. Okay, to work out the gradient, guys, it's rise over run. So we're going up or down to, you could say, okay, depending on how you're looking at it. And we're going right or left here. I'm gonna take this as left. So I'm gonna make it minus 1. So the gradient, guys, is going to be rise over run, so changing y over changing x. So it's 2 over minus 1 or minus 2 over 1. Okay, whichever one is appropriate for you, you'll get the same answer. Okay, so by the way, if you wrote down did minus 2 over 1, okay, that also works. Okay, it depends on which way you're treating that. Okay, I'm treating as going left here, so it's going to be negative. Technically, I'm actually going right, actually, so maybe I should use the top one. But it doesn't really matter. Okay, so I'm going down 2. Okay, so I'm going across 1, so it should be positive 1. Obviously down 2, so it should be negative 2. And minus 2 over 1, guys, negative 2 over 1 is minus 2. So the gradient, guys, is minus 2. So putting it together, guys, so piece it together, we have y is equal to minus 2x plus 3 or 3 minus 2x. Okay, it's not specified, but it's best to leave it in the formal format of y equals mx plus c, where the gradient is minus 2 or negative 2, and the y-intercept is plus 3 or positive 3. Okay, it's a downward slope here, so it has to be negative gradient. Okay, if it was this direction, it would be positive, but because it's this direction, it's going to be negative. Okay, remember, gradient, so to work out m, okay, is the change in y, so delta y over delta x. Okay, change in y over change in x. Okay, rise over run. Okay, all that good stuff. Okay, but I teach here usually as changing y over changing x. But because here I'm given a diagram, I used here so how many squares are going along, to how many squares I'm going up and down. But so I'm going across minus 1, you could say, and then up 2. Okay, but you're able to pick any 2 points. You can start here. Okay, and go across 3, and then obviously minus 3. Obviously up 6. Okay, whichever points you pick or point you pick, you will get the same answer. Okay, but that was obviously 3 marks. Again, if your foundation we're trying to obviously pick up as many marks as possible to obviously help you get that grade 4, grade 5. Okay, but it's about picking up those last few marks on the foundation tier paper. Okay, but this is also applicable for higher tier students. Obviously, if you're higher tier, then you should be bagging this in no problem with your grade 6, grade 7, grade 8, grade 9, maybe grade 5, grade 4 on higher tier. This is a lovely question to appear on an Edexcel past paper.